rode up to the giant and said, I am
Dr. Mystical.
and I have come.
I have come to destroy this cow.
And the giant said, oh, sir,
Oh, sir,
I am sitting out here.
I'm sitting up here with the other boys in the school. Let me play with them.
They say,
They say,
I am too small.
I am too small.
And the giant stood up to show how small he was. I'm always the last one chosen for games.
I'm always the last one chosen for games.
I hate being so
I
small.
hate being so small.
And then, as the giant stood up, he sneezed loudly. So you can get these sneezes. The captain and the army stood dumbstruck. If this giant is a small boy,
This giant is a small boy.
imagine what the rest of the people look like.
Imagine what the rest of the people look like.
The giant said, I'll grow up one day,
I'll grow up one day,
and I'll be able to fight back.
then I'll be able to fight back.
The soldiers began to back away, trembling. There was only one thing they could do. They drew their swords and held them up in the air and shouted,
About race double time march.
off they went. The mysterious giant threw away the onion. Threw away the onion and wiped his tears away and said,
I did it like things in the town.
the happy giant skipped home. Back at the piazza, Zia Concetta shouted from the pedestal of the giant,